President Namani highlighted that the Law Council emphatically urged the government to responsibly exercise its legislative mandate by adhering to established best practice. Namani underscored that it is essential that policies guide legislation with national interest taking precedence over political interest and or private commercial interest. He further elaborated on bill being introduced to Parliament that gives effect to an undisclosed shareholders agreement between the state and private enterprise.
We consent to see in recent times a bill introduced into Parliament that gives effect to an undisclosed shareholders agreement between the state and a private enterprise. We have serious concerns with the proposed National Gold Corporation Bill 2022. The National Parliament cannot blindly pass such a legislation in such a form. This lack of transparency raises serious questions about accountability, national interest, and potential conflict of interest.
Furthermore, Mr. Namani stated that the Law Council urged the government to exercise caution and extreme restraint when contemplating any constitutional amendments and calls for ethical practice from all lawyers to uphold.
The Council under my presidency calls for ethical practices from all our colleague lawyers to uphold the rule of law wherever you are practicing and serving. As legal professionals, we play a critical role in advising and guiding decision makers, as well as in making decisions that shape our country's legal landscape. It is therefore paramount that we must maintain a steadfast commitment to ethical practice and the rule of law in all our endeavors.
This sentiment was shared recently during the March for the Rule of Law hosted in Port Moresby.